here we are. Another day, another auction. Out here doing some previewing. And to my surprise, this trip is turning into a big bust. Come out to preview, inspect some cars. Come take a look at this Mercedes here. Key in office. So you can't even take a look at it. Let's see if it's unlocked. It is unlocked, but you cannot, it's clean. Got one little spot there on the seat there. It's real clean. But can't start it up, so we don't know what she sound like really. Don't know what code she got in it. I had a truck on my list. Ooh, somebody got, I wonder if they brake checked them. You think they brake checked them? I had this Ram 1500 on my list. Want to check it out. Key in the office. Can't start it up. Can't see what codes we got going on. So I'm not going to mess with that one. It's a clean over there. It's clean right there. Let's see who the seller is on this, because this is clean. What's going on with Kingdom Autos deals? Why can't y'all sell this thing? This thing is clean. Yeah, why can't y'all sell this? Can't start it up, man. Keys in office, so we don't know what codes is in this thing. So, it's clean. It caught my eye. I know this would be a good seller. Ooh, this thing is clean. But keys in office. So, can't check it out. I like how they psyched me out though. They ain't right on the window like they did everything else. Key in office. So, with a lot of the vehicles I come to take a look at keys in office, it's a bus, and then I got my top flight security guy back there in this Crown Vic in the corner. So, this trip to IAA is I'm gonna go ahead and call it a bus, because I'm not about to even start something up and then have to deal with him, because he is top flight. If I had some property that I need to have secured or security guard I want to hire, I would hire this dude. I would hire him, because he's always on it. As soon as he come out, he's there. You don't even think he's there. You turn around, boom, he's there. He pop out of nowhere, he's there. So he earning his little side money, but damn, is he not causing an inconvenience. And I don't know what the deal is, because they don't be having the security that strong at all the locations. Just some locations to be real strong. So it's not like I can even steal a vehicle. So I don't know why he even here. And this other one was on my list. Key in office. Damn, see? Nice Mercedes, real nice Mercedes. 2012 Mercedes. Keys in office. See what I'm talking about, man? It's a wasted damn trip. It's a clean ride, though. Let's see if it's unlocked. I'm feeling that black on black. Well, it's not black, it's actually gray. Yep, keys. I don't know why they put that thing on there, because the key ain't even on there. I think it'd be a little bit strong if the interior was black too. I don't like light colored interiors because it shows the dirt and stuff. Top flight security guard over there in the cut, keeping things secure. Ain't gonna be starting no revenue cars today. Don't start nothing up. Don't start nothing up. Try to see if the AC works. Don't start nothing up, see what codes is in it. Don't start nothing up, see if the transmission's slipping. See, I'm about to stop messing with y'all, man. Y'all making too much damn money to be this uptight about what y'all selling. Y'all making money twice. Y'all making money from the buyers. Y'all making money from the sellers. And, you know, y'all be charging that dang on, what, $65 drop fee. on every vehicle. And internet fee, man. Y'all making too much money to be like this. Too much money. I would say IAA is better than Copart, but they're about the same now. I will say Copart has the better website and the better app for your phone, your smartphone, Android or Apple. They got the better website, better app. But when it comes down to it, them two spots, they about the same. Copart might come out ahead just a little bit because they take care of their inventory a little bit better, and their lot is always so much more cleaner. But their fees are higher. You turn around, you can get around the fee if you use the kiosk. But that's the only way to kind of avoid that fee. This is clean too right here, but no, let's see what we got on this side. Got some damage to that window's damage. Let's see what we got. Right there. It's not bad, not bad, not bad. Got a little damage up front. Somebody just put tires on it not too long ago. Okay, so they got this without a key. They had a key cut for it. See, that's what I'm talking about. Broken key. Oh, hold on, let's see. Okay, there's a new key right there. But then they got the dang thing so tight you can't even put the key in the ignition even if you wanted to, man. Dang. Yeah, I'm about to stop coming to this location because y'all be trying to do too much, man. Y'all be doing too much. My man right here on doing his job on the forklift, getting woman cars. See, that's how they be damaging y'all's cars too. They be flying. Y'all be wondering why the fuel tank leaking, this and that. Got undercarriage damage. Hell, a lot of times cars don't have no undercarriage damage until messing with that forklift. They pull on that forklift, be all messed up. Then IA be like, we're not at fault for anything. Did you read the bylaws, sir? They got me on a truck like that. Truck was leaking gas. I kept thinking, why am I smelling gas? Why am I smelling gas? I see, look, park the truck on the dry spot. Come back about 5 minutes later, it's wet underneath the truck, underneath the bed. Gas tank has a hairline crack in it from where they put it on the damn forklift. You think they paid me for that tank? Nope, I had to put a tank in. I mean, I made good money on it, but it's kind of another inconvenience. So I'm gonna continue my little search and see if I can find something that I feel comfortable spending my money on. But yeah, that's how a lot of stuff gets damaged, these forklift drivers. They'll be putting them on the daggone forklift. But yeah, I done already crossed off. Let's see here, I done crossed off the few on my list. Yep, and cross them off the ways either dirty, junk. Oh yeah, so he's doing it real big. Going to there. She's got a 7 Series. Can't even look at it. Can't even look at it though. Keys in office. So basically they're saying, hey, we don't even want you to even look at this. Don't even start this up. Don't even start this up. The Avalon was, I like the Avalon, look good in black, but see, can't mess with y'all out here, man. Keys in office. Keys in office. I mean, y'all be wanting top dollar for this stuff, but then don't let folks check it out. This is actually pretty nice too. Very roomy. Okay, that controls the back seat. This lever right here controls the back seats. It's got a lot of room in it. A lot of room. But this one has got some damage on it, so we're looking at a fender. Looking at the fender. We got a crack in the windshield here. That's gone all the way up. The windshield's tinted, so you really can't see it. So you got that. Let's see here. This bumper, you might be able to probably fix that right there, the bumper. But definitely a fender. And the body looks good. Let's see what the tires look like. Tires look good. And somebody just painted this probably not too long ago too. I can tell it's been painted. It's got some damage on the back, rear bumper. And all in all, the body's not too bad, and the interior is pretty clean. So, I mean, that was on my list, but I would have put it on my list too. That's another thing too. When you guys are looking at stuff, you got to look constantly, and sometimes it just pays to come out. Sometimes it just pays to come out and look, because it won't be on the list. It won't be on the computer. So, for example, you can go through the whole list of cars, clean title cars, yada, yada, yada. Come out here and you'll be like, oh, that wasn't on the list. That wasn't on the website. That wasn't on the website. You key in the number, you key in the stock number, then it'll populate. So that's another reason why I like coming out, because sometimes stuff that hasn't populated yet they haven't uploaded, you can see it if you actually come in and you can catch it that way. So that's another little tip. So always come in live and view, because you're always going to catch stuff that either you overlooked on the website or the app, or items that they have not uploaded before you looked or after you looked. Hey, they got rocked right there. They got rocked. All the airbags went off in that thing. Yeah, I'm gonna just, yeah, this trip's a bust, because I can't even if I find something that's on the rest of the stuff on my list that's decent, I can't take it out. I can't, oh my God, this is so frustrating. Yeah, even if I find something on my list that is decent, I cannot even check it out properly. You know, make sure all the windows work, make sure the AC works, see what codes is in it. Yeah, I can't check it out because I got my top flight security guy over there. So this trip to this IAA location is a bust. Oh, all right, so I got to go back to the drawing board. So I need to buy some cars before the end of the week. But that's it, man. Thanks for your time, man. This is Rowdy Ross signing off. See y'all next time.